Ijoma,
a fine girl.
Amaka,
A fine girl.
Ngozi,
A fine girl.
Vivian,
A fine girl.
Linda,
A fine girl.
Emma,
A fine girl.
Bella,
A fine girl.
yes, oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
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 Guinea name,
Oh yeah.
Guinea napio,
Oh yeah.
Guinea name,
Oh yeah.
Guinea napio,
Oh yeah.
oh yeah.
Who is in the garden?
A little fine boy.
Who is in the garden?
A little fine boy.
Can I come and see him?
No, 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 no.
Can I come and see him?
No, 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 no.
Oh, you know him, Wabubo.
Mwa wake marama.
Oh, you know him, Wabubo.
Mwa wake marama.
When it keep for ya,
Bam, 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 bam.
when it keep for ya,
Bam, 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 bam.
hey, Mega,
A fine boy.
Chukuma,
A fine boy.
Ikena,
A fine boy.
Chibike,
A fine boy.
Debbie,
A fine boy.
Kenneth,
A fine boy.
Brian,
A fine boy.
Daniel.
A fine boy.
Boys, oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
boys, oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
boys, oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
boys, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Agini neme,
Oh yeah.
agini napio,
Oh yeah.
agini neme,
Oh yeah.
agini napio.
Oh yeah.
Egu, dance, kwa, ayo, eke, umata, umata.
So Kids TV.
Hello, kids. We're so happy you're here.
Hi everyone, come join the fun.
Hey, Mwakibem, Kagutu no berego. Hello kids, it's time to play. Boys oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
boys oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
girls oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
girls oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
Guinea name,
Oh yeah.
Guinea napio,
Oh yeah.
Guinea name,
Oh yeah.
Guinea napio. Who is it regarding?
A little fine girl.
Who is it regarding?
A little fine girl.
Can I come and see her?
No, 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 no.
Can I come and see her?
No, 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 no.
Oh yeah, no ni mabubo.
Mwa wai marama.
Oh yeah, no ni mabubo.
Mwa wai marama.
Mweri kifuya,
Bam, 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 bam.
mweri kifuya.
Bam, 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 bam.
Neka,
A fine girl.
Ijoma,
A fine girl.
Amaka,
A fine girl.
Ngozi,
A fine girl.
Vivian,
A fine girl.
Linda,
A fine girl.
Emma,
A fine girl.
Bella,
A fine girl.
yes oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
yes oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
yes oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
yes oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Guinea name,
Oh yeah.
Guinea napio,
Oh yeah.
Guinea name,
Oh yeah.
Guinea napio,
Oh yeah.
oh yeah.
Who is in the garden?
A little fine boy.
Who is in the garden?
A little fine boy.
Can I come and see him?
No, 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 no.
Can I come and see him?
No, 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 no.
Oh, you know him, Wabubo.
Mwa wake marama.
Oh, you know him, Wabubo.
Mwa wake marama.
When it keep for kids. We're so happy you're here.
Hi everyone, come join the fun.
Hey, Umakibem. Kagutuno berego. Hello kids, it's time to play. Boys, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Boys, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
In the name.
Oh yeah.
In the napio.
Oh yeah.
In the name.
Oh yeah.
In the napio. Who is it regarding?
A little fine girl.
Who is it regarding?
A little fine girl.
Can I come and see her?
No, 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 no.
Can I come and see her?
No, 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 no.
Oh yeah, no ni mabubo.
Wawa imwarama.
Oh yeah, no ni mabubo.
Wawa imwarama.
Mweri kifuya.
Bam, 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 bam.
Mweri kifuya.
Bam, 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 bam.
Neka.
A fine girl.
Ijoma.
A fine girl.
Amaka.
A fine girl.
Ngozi.
A fine girl.
Vivian.
A fine girl.
Linda.
A fine girl.
Emma.
A fine girl.
Bella.
A fine girl.
Yes, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
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 Gini neme.
Oh yeah.
Gini napio.
Oh yeah.
Gini neme.
Oh yeah.
Gini napio.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Who is in the garden?
A little fine boy.
Who is in the garden?
A little fine boy.
Can I come and see him?
No, 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 no.
Can I come and see him?
No, 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 no.
Oh yeah, no ni mabubo.
Wawa imwarama.
Oh yeah, no ni mabubo.
Wawa imwarama.
Mweri kifuya.
Bam, 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 bam.
Mweri kifuya.
Bam, 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 bam.
Emeka.
A fine boy.
Chukuma.
A fine boy.
Ikenna.
A fine boy.
Chibike.
A fine boy.
David.
A fine boy.
Kenneth.
A fine boy.
Brian.
A fine boy.
Daniel.
A fine boy.
Boys, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
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 Agini neme.
Oh yeah.
Agini napio.
Oh yeah.
Agini neme.
Oh yeah.
Agini napio.
Oh yeah.
Egu. Dance. Kwa. Ayo. Eke. Umata, umata.
So Kids TV.
Hello, kids. We're so happy you're here.
Hi everyone, come join the fun.
Hey, Umakibem. Kagutuno berego. Hello kids, it's time to play. Boys, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Boys, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Gini neme.
Oh yeah.
Gini napio.
Oh yeah.
Gini neme.
Oh yeah.
Gini napio. Who is it regarding?
A little fine girl.
Who is it regarding?
A little fine girl.
Can I come and see her?
No, 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 no.
Can I come and see her?
No, 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 no.
Oh yeah, no ni mabubo.
Wawa imwarama.
Oh yeah, no ni mabubo.
Wawa imwarama.
Mweri kifuya.
Bam, 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 bam.
Mweri kifuya.
Bam, 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 bam.
Neka.
A fine girl.
Ijoma.
A fine girl.
Amaka.
A fine girl.
Ngozi.
A fine girl.
Vivian.
A fine girl.
Linda.
A fine girl.
Emma.
A fine girl.
Bella.
A fine girl.
Yes, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Gini neme.
Oh yeah.
Gini napio.
Oh yeah.
Gini neme.
Oh yeah.
Gini napio.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Who is in the garden?
A little fine boy.
Who is in the garden?
A little fine boy.
Can I come and see him?
No, 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 no.
Can I come and see him?
No, 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 no.
Oh yeah, no ni mabubo.
Wawa imwarama.
Oh yeah, no ni mabubo.
Wawa imwarama.
Mweri kifuya.
Bam, 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 bam.
Mweri kifuya.
Bam, 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 bam.
Emeka.
A fine boy.
Chukuma.
A fine boy.
Ikenna.
A fine boy.
Chibike.
A fine boy.
David.
A fine boy.
Kenneth.
A fine boy.
Brian.
A fine boy.
Daniel.
A fine boy.
Boys, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
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 Agini neme.
Oh yeah.
Agini napio.
Oh yeah.
Agini neme.
Oh yeah.
Agini napio.
Oh yeah.
Egu. Dance. Kwa. Ayo. Eke. Umata, umata.
So Kids TV.
Hello, kids. We're so happy you're here.
Hi everyone, come join the fun.
Hey, Mwakibem. Kagutuno berego. Hello kids, it's time to play. Boys, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Boys, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
In the name.
Oh yeah.
In the napio.
Oh yeah.
In the name.
Oh yeah.
In the napio. Who is it regarding?
A little fine girl.
Who is it regarding?
A little fine girl.
Can I come and see her?
No, 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 no.
Can I come and see her?
No, 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 no.
Oh yeah, no need more bubble.
Wah, 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 wah.
Oh yeah, no need.
Who is in the garden?
A little fine boy.
Who is in the garden?
A little fine boy.
Can I come and see him?
No, 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 no.
Can I come and see him?
No, 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 no.
Oh yeah, no need more bubble.
Wah, 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 wah.
Oh yeah, no need more bubble.
Wah, 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 wah.
When it keep fool ya,
Bam, 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 bam.
when it keep fool ya. Hello kids, so happy you're here.
Hi everyone, come join the fun.
Hey, Mwakibem. Kagutuno berego. Hello kids, it's time to play. Boys, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Boys, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
In the name.
Oh yeah.
In the napio.
Oh yeah.
In the name.
Oh yeah.
In the napio. Who is it regarding?
A little fine girl.
Who is it regarding?
A little fine girl.
Can I come and see her?
No, 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 no.
Can I come and see her?
No, 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 no.
Oh yeah, no need more bubble.
Wah, 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 wah.
Oh yeah, no need more bubble.
Wah, 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 wah.
Mweri kifuya.
Bam, 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 bam.
Mweri kifuya.
Bam, 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 bam.
Neka.
A fine girl.
Ijoma.
A fine girl.
Amaka.
A fine girl.
Ngozi.
A fine girl.
Vivian.
A fine girl.
Linda.
A fine girl.
Emma.
A fine girl.
Bella.
A fine girl.
Yes, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
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 Ini neme.
Oh yeah.
Agini napio.
Oh yeah.
Agini neme.
Oh yeah.
Agini napio.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
kids. We're so happy you're here.
Hi everyone, come join the fun.
Hey, them. Hello kids, it's time to play. Boys, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Boys, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
In and them.
Oh yeah.
In and up you.
Oh yeah.
In and them.
Oh yeah.
In and up you. Who is it regarding?
A little fine girl.
Who is it regarding?
And this is how we spell Monday. You know, guys, is super. Monday. Then Tuesday, Gabugini. Ubochi Tuesday. Ubochi Tuesday. That's where. Ubochi Tuesday. So Ubochi Tuesday. Then Ubochi Wednesday. You guys say that there. Score. You guys say that there. Wednesday. Then there were Ubochi Thursday. Third pieces and O with a dot. Thursday. Ubochi Friday. And then what Ubochi Saturday. Ubochi Sunday. And yeah, also I say the days of the week. You have to write what I'm writing here. Once you write in the chat Ubochi day, under Ubochi day, here keep the del. After writing Ubochi day, I can enough na screen. Zikor. Iru na Ubochi day, idepụtacha iwedeweze ime atụ ya, wee ruo na Sunday, wadepụta ya. Onye ruo Sunday ka ọ sị medechala m. You are writing the wrong thing. I said when you write to this place, now write this. You are not meant to write all this yet. To get you confused. So I'm not wasting my time writing this. So you are meant to do Ubochi Monday, Ubochi Tuesday, Ubochi Wednesday, Ubochi Thursday, Ubochi Friday, Ubochi Saturday, Ubochi Sunday. After that, we now enter to Ubochi time. Yes, follow me. Don't go faster than me. Yes. Don't go faster than me. We'll take it one step at a time because we have side notes to everything. Chidera, they chala here on board. They chala anka. I'm in charge of a dinner day here. We do this made day here for a little. What then or so. But so let's be fast. The chuna said the chala, the chala. The chala is correct. The chala, you don't want it. Tell for Robert when it's a little bit. You see, all for Robert, say that. I must say so. Una dechala. Alright, dechala. Dechala nka. Si choma dechala nka. Ngwa nke na-esote ya bụrụ ụbọchị taa ma ọ bụ taa, today. Ụbọchị taa ma ọ bụ taa bụ gịnị? Today. Gbadetuo ya. Write it down, is detuo ya. Ego ya. Ụbọchị taa, today. Onye dechosi medechala. Then ụnyaahụ, yesterday. Kwụọnụ ụbọchị taa mba tupu anyị agawa ka anyị gụọ nke a. Can we say it? Ụbọchị Monday, let's do it. Want to go? You don't speak out, you don't speak the language. You will just speak out and make mistakes, let me correct you. I love mistakes because nobody is perfect. Nke na-esote ya bụrụzie ụbọchị taa. Kwụọnụ ụbọchị taa. Ụbọchị taa abụrụ today. Nke na-esote ya bụrụ ụnyaahụ, yesterday. Can you say that? Ụnyaahụ, yesterday. O nwekwa ndị na-asị echi gara aga. Ụnyaahụ bụ yesterday, right? E nwekwa ndị na-asị for yesterday. Gara aga is a past marker. Gara aga means past. Can we say gara aga? Gara aga. So write it down. Detuo ya. Gara aga. Gara aga means past. Okay? So can you take a sequel? Past or last? Just like you say last Tuesday. Past or last. Gara aga. So how would you say last Monday? The gara aga comes last. Monday gara aga. Can you keep the sequel last Tuesday? Again. Don't say agaraga. Garaga. Good job. Can you keep the sequel last Thursday? Good. Can you keep the sequel last Sunday? Much Sunday garaga, but we see Sunday garaga. So garaga is a past marker. Now, ụnyaahụ na-abụkwa yesterday. Mana ọ nwekwa ndị na-asị echi gara aga. Another way of saying yesterday bụ echi gara aga. So before we say echi gara aga, echi can also be tomorrow, but to say past, like yesterday, just the way we've written ụnyaahụ, you can just put a slash. Ụnyaahụ, yesterday, you can put maọbụ is a slash. You see maọbụ echi gara aga. Gara aga. Echi means tomorrow, so past tomorrow, that's how we put it. Can you put a slash and write what I just wrote? Echi gara aga. It's used mostly by the Imo State. Echi gara aga. Some would even say ụbọchị gara aga. Maọbụ ụbọchị gara aga. This one is even closer. Ụbọchị gara aga. Ụbọchị gara aga. Ụbọchị gara aga. Can we say ụbọchị gara aga? Yes, you can see it here. Ụnyaahụ, ụbọchị gara aga. Well, wait, that's here. So Charles, that's here. So, one day ụnyaahụ, 2 days ago, like day before yesterday. You know how to say it? Day before yesterday, you say one day ụnyaahụ. It means yesterday's sibling. You remember sibling is one day. So can we say one day ụnyaahụ? Another one you could say one day echi gara aga, you write one day. Another one, right? Then one day ubochi gara aga. Can you do that? But you write it down. You put this one day, you write this one day 2 days ago. You still write one day echi gara aga. That's 2 days ago. You can still write one day ubochi gara aga. But that's where I'll see so. Or are you confused? Need some help? No. That's right. Continue that. You don't do that. So ị ga-ahụ na ebe a anyị si gara aga means past, is a past marker. And then na-abịa abịa is a future marker. So you want to say next Monday. You say na-abịa abịa, but finish writing the gara aga. Once you're done with gara aga, this is the challenge. Ana m check on you. Chachoma, you don't write all these things I wrote. The gara aga, echi gara aga, ubochi gara aga. You know we are meant to write one day. You write one day. You put one day nyahu. Then you also write one day echi gara aga. Then you also write. You're going to use it in your sentences. You better do what I say, so that when it's time to make sentences, you'll be very proud of yourself. Don't say this woman is just repeating these things for no. We are making sentences. If you don't follow me, you get stuck on the road tomorrow or next. So follow me the way we are going, so you can make sentences. So what we are doing, we are just building bridges. That's what we are doing now. It looks like we don't know what we're doing, but we know. So we are trying to talk about time. Because you're going to say something like, Mommy, I want to eat rice tomorrow. Can I do it next week? That's what we're trying to build up. So we're talking about time now. So nwanne echi gara aga, nwanne ụbọchị gara aga. We have also written nwanne ụnyaahụ. Now write this thing down. To write gara aga means past marker. Can you say that? Na-abịa abịa means future marker. Okay, so if we want to say yesterday, we say ụbọchị gara aga. If we want to say tomorrow, how are we going to say it? If we want to say yesterday, I will say ụbọchị gara aga. So to say tomorrow will be what? Good job, baby. Ụbọchị na-abịa abịa. That's why we wrote na-abịa abịa is a future marker. So write it. So the coming Monday, the coming Tuesday. You don't write it, let's go to the next. No time, let's go. So can we go to this? You go right there. So is week. Everybody say it. Is week. Is week. How would you say 1 week? You have to say it the way. 1 week. Write it down. 1 week. Oh, too easy. Example, write it down. 1 week. Oh, too easy. Now to say 2 weeks, when you are counting something and it goes more than one, the number will go after the word. So how would you say 2 weeks? Good job. Izu abuo. Write it down. 2 weeks. Izu abuo. Whenever you are counting anything, if it's 1, you will say 1 before the item. But once it is more than 1, you say the item before 1. Let's go. So here is afọ maọbụ isi n'afọ. N'afọ in the year. So how would you say 2026? You can say, if you're making a sentence, you put it as in now for 2026, or you say are for 2026. You take off this N, this, and you write are for here. Then in the morning, n'ụtụtụ. Can we say n'ụtụtụ? At Chidera, speak out. N'ụtụtụ. N'ehihie. Na mgbede. N'abalị. In the Igbo culture, we have, in the Igbo calendar, we have 4 market days. We don't use, these ones are Western time, this tomorrow. In the Igbo culture, Chidera, Chioma, are you here? We have 4 market days. Write it down. 4 Igbo market days. 4 Igbo what? Market. When you get to your village, you hear it. Market days. As you go, you get to the market days. Do you know the 4 market days? We have Eke, that's what ya. We have Ori, we have Afo, and we have what? Nkwo. Can we say the 4 market days? Everybody read. Stop writing. Stop writing. Eke, Ori, Afo, Nkwo. Again. Afọ, Nkwọ, Eke, Orie, Afọ, Nkwọ. Okay. If you don't write in that, please say the channel. You don't write in that one. So the next, if you're not writing, please say the chalam. There are the 4 market days. Can we hear there? Eke, Ori, Afo, Nkwo. Choma ide chala. Choma ide chala. What in your pronouns? Guide pronouns. I mean pronouns quickly. Itile. Okay, the next one was it nnochiaha pronouns. Oh yeah. Nnochiaha pronouns. Nkembu, when you're counting in Igbo to number your work, you say Nkembu. But this one will be Nke Abuo, Nke Ato, Nke Ano. Did you see what I just showed you? Nkembu, but you know one is O2. We don't say Nkotu, you say Nkembu, Nke Abuo, Nke Ato. So once we write this one now, we do. So Amobu I say it. This slash is more, but Chioma, you just like writing, and I don't like it. Then to say the word, and then you now write. Okay? Writing is very, very good, but learn to say it is more important. Amobu I. Mmobu mumi. Mmobu mumai. Gi you. Gi you. Gi your. O mobu o he she it. Mobu, this is mobu. This is mobu. It's actually ma or bu, but we shorten it to mobu, which is o. Okay? O mobu o he she it. Oh yeah. Yeah. Him, her, it, his. You don't know, yeah? Let's go. Anyị. We, us, our. Ha. They, them, their. Niile. All. So these are just the introductory pronouns you're doing. We'll write them down. Finish writing and you say the chalam. You want to scroll up or down? Up.
Like this. Here number 1.
Okay, go all the way to number 1. No. See, edechalam or edechagom. Everybody is going to read the verbs. Onye ọbụla ga-agụ verbs. Mr. Charles, wepụ the pronouns na screen. Onye ọbụla ga-agụ pronouns ọ dere n'akwụkwọ ya. Ngwa Chidera bido. Ọ bụkwa a ma ọ bụ bido na isiokwu si nnọchi aha ngwa let's go. A ma ọ bụ maọbụ mụ.
maọbụ maọbụ mụ. Gị, you, he, your. Ọ maọbụ o. Ọ maọbụ o. He, she, it. Ya, him, her, it.
Anyị.
We, us. Ha, they, them. Niile.
Jisie ike kụọrọnụ ya aka. Dị akụ aka kpamkpam kụọrọnụ ya aka. Jisie ike ngwa gụọ nke gị. Mba, ị ga-ebido na isiokwu nnọchiaha.
Yeah. I be us our them
Kụọrọnụ ya aka. Chioma gwago. A maọbụ mba a maọbụ e. Gịnị bụ a maọbụ e? What does it mean? Good job, baby. Mu. Me.
my he you he yours
Your.
O he she it ya
Ọ maọbụ o. The O with the dot underneath is ọ.
o he she it ya him
No money. Ya, him, her, it, that.
ya
No, ya.
ya
Ya.
ya
Good job. Again.
ya him her
Anyị.
we us our her they them their
Niile.
all
Good job, baby girl. Kụọrọnụ ya aka. Ngwa, zikọrọ ka ọ gụọ. Zikọrọ gụọ. Ị ga-asị nnọchiaha pronoun.
Nnọchiaha pronoun. A maọbụ e is I.
Don't say which means, just put I.
Maọbụ mụ.
Maọbụ mụ.
Maọbụ mụ. Maọbụ mụ. My. He, you, he, your. O, or.
Mba, O maọbụ ọ. Depending on which one comes first. Which one is the one with the dot underneath? Ọ maọbụ O.
Ọ maọbụ o. He, she, it. Ha.
Ha.
Him, her, it, is. Anyị.
Anyị.
He, us, our. Ha.
Ha.
They, them, their. Meal of.
Niile.
Good.
We are going to take a recess. Okay? Ugbu a anyị ga-aga zuo ike. Unu agbalịala. Anyị bata, anyị ga-eleba anya na household properties. And then anyị elebakwa anya na the verbs, how to pronounce the verbs. Okay? Jisie ike. Ngwa ka ikpe ekpere, ọ bụ n'aha Jizọs. Onye nwe anyị nara ekele maka ụbọchị taa. Daalụ maka ihe mmụta anyị n'aha Jizọs. Amen. Daalụ. Ngwa ka ọ dị mgbe anyị ga-abata maka klaasị nke abụọ. Choma, who has this one? Are you sure this is not my phone? You gave me. Let's see, you write to
and practice. Round call my sleeper. Welcome. Get your tab on your phone there. Have you seen it?
Yes.
No, that's what Shakina. First chair is there. Sit and get your phone.
Next time.
Go and rest. When it's lunchtime, we'll let you know.
Let me do this.
What else?
Let me come back then.
You should come back when? Okay. The room is downstairs. What's your one?
Now we are insults. It's because not too much.
My mom that used to marry me.
My dear, oh, not be small. All this our mommy, God will bless them. Little baby.
Anyone?
Hmm?
No, like.
She's gone. But no, that's not very good. One more for 6 months.
No, she's playing snooker.
Okay, when working. Give me my tea, give me my tea. Go and do it.
Can I move?
You can move.
Okay. I'm drinking tea.
What's his name?
Kion.
Yeah.
Oluwatobi.
Oluwatobi. Leon, Mayon, Tara, Mira, Para, Cora. Let us call what we do. God is good.
Chinen here is Igbo name. I bet they call. I don't forget. My mother-in-law.
Chinen, if you're Igbo camp, so buy a photo. Igbo summer camp for Chinen. Oluwa, Tobi, Oluwa, Tobi. What time now they call you T-boy?
Yes.
I know how the thing works. The next thing is T-boy. Instead of me to leave her, asking her, do you need anything? I know she definitely needs something. My baby, you will eat swallow today. Very delicious soup. Ó fẹ́ tọrọ ọ̀tọ̀. Kí máa ń wọ́n fẹ́ tọrọ ọ̀tọ̀? Kí ni wọ́n fẹ́ tọrọ ọ̀tọ̀? Delicious soup. Sí, ó fẹ́ tọrọ ọ̀tọ̀. Tóbi, wá jẹun. I'm drinking tea, you're looking mouth on my behalf.
Tobi.
Handsome boy.
Does it look like him? No.
I don't know. Children can change their faces like 70 times before they go.
Okay.
Let's go. My sister had a son. He usually looks like his daddy. At a point looked like the mommy. At a point looked like my father. At a point looked like his grandmother. Before he now went back and settled in his father's face. So he used to select people to carry him.
His father carry him here. Everybody will hear his voice.
He's holding him to them.
Maybe, I don't know. Even the nanny, that first nanny, was always crying. Cry. I was just crying.
So babies are human. Sometimes you need to get hard.
That's what it is. Maybe they use that. Yeah, they
They
will
put
have
it to an out of fear so it doesn't fall off.
Yes.
We are ready.
Oh.
And you're going to chicken.
Then go and learn about the kitchen. And after that, you now eat a soup. Delicious. Shekina,
Yes, ma'am.
the soup, make sure you answer all the questions.
You give your.
Uncle Kezie, only that you tell your candy.
Why you say happy party today?
Party. So we want to advertise for my books I made.
Okay.
You saw those beautiful books.
Yeah.
Media say Laila and
You can't use you can't even use babies.
I beg this young man. I beg you.
We
He said Laila.
no. Too even there's notice in Nigeria, they like flashy things.
Who are you? How old is he?
It's 2 months and 2 weeks.
And grandma left you.
Grandma don't, papa don't want.
Yes, grandma living. Where she living?
Edo State. Fuga, after Benin. Very far.
When he was shouting, he said, come back.
My daddy said you should come back for me. So I need somebody that will cook for him. Oh. He's not
So that
eating
means we were going to do online on Mugo.
well.
Chiamaka, oya put the pepper inside the pepper soup. When we have our own grandchildren.
Yeah, so because how you get you will be able to cook it when you go. Good afternoon.
Maybe it's so pretty.
Thank you.
Say some boy. Again,
So when you start crying now, I think I will not cry. Let me just quickly do this makeup.
He's enjoying my
Yes, well.
My name is William Azzi. I'm the head of the language of
When you want to do the food,
even though that background reported to me from a state of it. Yeah, now organize the things to go down, get all these things, get the hands to there. So, we have to control their finish with it. We will not be I should do makeup while you are doing now. Mommy should sing and make it very nice. Hi, honey. Hi, honey. Hi, honey. Hi, honey. Hi, honey. Hi, honey. Oh, back. Hey, 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 hey.
I cannot believe.
Bam, say, I love Mommy Chiwe's spirit. She has a
Yeah,
beautiful
I
spirit.
think that's this one can select.
Oh, yeah. Yes. And tell Mommy that Grandma has gone, so you're not a big. Please. Please.
I hope so.
The bamba. Oh, yeah. Excuse me. So you can see your mommy is about to walk. See your mommy.
Papa. They look like this.
Say, let Mommy Chiwe be my nanny.
We cannot afford.
Say, let her be my nanny.
One is even waiting for me at home now for interview. Just keep trying.
Yes.
I don't
You know,
know
when I got tired, was when I finally went and carried my husband's sister's son. This boy, I got him at the age of 8. I was doing house help. I trained this boy till he's 12 now. This boy called the week when my husband did. He's like, she asked me, so I want my own sugar. Let me be in charge.
you don't mean it.
I don't know what is going on. Like,
So what will you be doing today? I say I was just telling my wife, I don't see that me, I can cook myself. I'm only the one that took care of my sister's children.
That's out of business. I'm not getting people outside.
Yeah, so anytime I like, I go to work. I select what one that fits me. I'll just cook more. Those people. Don't cry here. Don't disgrace yourself.
What you see? I told you now, you are pressing him. He doesn't want.
Stay. He does not have a choice. This is how we'll be doing it. Because that is
They are the money.
the dad is the one that brought me safe
That's where you get
to work. He said I should stay at home for 4 months. Sorry. 4 months stay. I'm not fit to. I can't even try it. Every time you ask ma for money, you not look crazy. Then they start doing anyhow. Yes, sir. Use you for this.
Yes,
Yes, sir. Money is
always appreciate a relationship, whether we have your own money.
He knows now that I mean I cannot stay. So he's already saying that this
Brother, don't be leaving us now.
Hey, so sorry.
is the AC on.
Yes, it is.
How was the event?
I know. It's better than last week.
Next year is better than this one.